साईं का प्रणाम। साईं ने आप सबकी ख्वाहिशें सुनी, तो इनकी कैसे न सुनी। और इनकी ख्वाहिश है कि आज साईं चैनलिंग बी इन इंग्लिश। तो बस आज का दिन ही उन्हें कहना, आज का दिन ही चैनलिंग शैल बी इन इंग्लिश। थैंक यू। कितनी पगली है। कितनी बार बोल चुकी है हिंदी में, तो भी दर दर कर बोलती है साईं चैनलिंग शुड बी इन इंग्लिश। तो आज का दिन तो साईं ना नहीं कह सकती। Sai has always taught simple truths. Simplicity in life, when followed, brings the greatest joy. Your phones get more complicated, and with that your communication breaks down even more. Your cars get automatic, but your journeys of life are tied down by the chains around your feet. Your work gets more complicated, complex, reaching out to all corners of the world. But when you reach home at night, you are still lonely. Oh beloveds, what use then is that phone, that car, that work? Make your lives simple. The less you run after possessions, the more blessings of the light shall fill your space. You clutter your spaces with things. Look around you. Look at your homes. How many things do you possess? Where then can there be place for the blessings that you yearn for? Sai had nothing. We need nothing because we have everything. We have everything. So are we telling you to throw away your phones and discard your cars? No, beloveds. We are asking you to pay attention to how much of your time is spent in this worthless endeavor of accumulation. Yes, enjoy the material world, It is meant for you to enjoy. But when your focus is upon getting and buying and getting and buying, our blessings do not come to you not because we are not blessing you, but because you have no place in your life to receive them. Simplify your lives. You do not need to have 3 objects when one can do. You do not need so many cars on roads that now are getting suffocated with the energy of the cars. Your cities are dying. Their energies are stagnant because everyone wants one car to their name at least, so that their ego can be salvaged. Communication has become distant, non-personal. You hide behind your telephones. When did you stop reaching out to people? When did you stop that? And how empty has your life become since you have stopped reaching out to people? You sit in your air-conditioned homes while outside 3 children sleep with an empty, painful stomach. Oh, beloveds, enjoy your homes, but let them not starve. Sai has always demanded Guru Dakshina. You do not come before Sai without Guru Dakshina. Why? Because you must learn to give. Sai does not want your Guru Dakshina, but you must learn to give. And when you give, you decide, how much can I give, which will not make me any poorer. Surely, 2 rotis should be enough for that child. Surely, 5 rupees should be enough for that child. Oh, beloveds, that is not giving. That is still hoarding. If Sai asked for food, would you say 2 rotis should be enough? If Sai asked you for your money, would you say 5 rupees should be enough? You say, no, we would not. Then Sai tells you that in every child, in every poor person, in everyone who is in need, you shall see only Sai. Sai shall come to each one of you. ये मेरा वादा है, परंतु आप मुझे पहचानेंगे नहीं, मैं ईसाई रूप में नहीं आऊंगा. I shall come to you in such an appearance that you shall not recognize it as sign. You might even condemn it. But remember then, you have condemned sign. और एक बार नहीं आऊंगा, मैं बार बार आऊंगा. Sign's message is simple. Love. Share. Give. Be kind. Be humble. All is yours to enjoy. But all is everyone's to enjoy. Oh beloveds, you have been blessed. But you have been blessed so that you can bless others. Many times this child, beloved one of ours asks, "Oh Master, look at this human being, steeped in crime, and yet you are giving him abundance and money every day. And this child who seems to have harmed no one sits on the road alone, sighing, hungry, and you give him nothing. What justice is there in this, O Master?" she asks. There is justice, beloveds, there is justice. Those who have plenty, and beloveds, plenty is a subjective word. Those who have plenty have it because they have a dharma to perform with that plenitude. Of course it is for you to enjoy. For if you are not full, you shall not be able to give anything in emptiness. But beloveds, look around you. Look at yourself. Why do you not get full? And you keep accumulating because you never get full. And beloveds, you do not get full because you do not accept our blessings. Money can never fill you, beloveds. Money can never fill you. But love can. Joy can. Compassion can. Forgiveness can. That is abundance, beloveds. We might give to one prosperity and wealth because that is their dharma to use. But does that make them abundant? That same child smiling away and singing a song, even as her stomach rumbles in tune, receives more blessings. Share, beloveds. Do not be scared to offer yourself to help solve a problem of another. Oh beloveds, Sai didn't ask today, but what will I do with your problem? How will I help? Sai promised help, and that is all. And not to one, but to all present here and to those not present here who have also asked Sai. And we have told you time and time again, हम साई नहीं, आप साई है। इस दुनिया के साई हम नहीं हैं, बस हमारा वक्त तो गया, हम साई थे, अब आप साई हैं। अब आपको करना है। आपकी सहन शक्ति कहां है? साईं परीक्षा देता है तो बस आप रोने लगते हैं। कहां है सहन शक्ति? और सहन शक्ति नहीं होगी तो आप किसी और को कैसे मदद कर सकेंगे? You are Sai. It is because you forget that you are Sai that you falter. It is because you forget that you are Sai that you want more and more and more, and your homes get larger and larger and fuller, while each one in that home gets lonelier and lonelier. Cursed are those homes. The jhoppi is better when there is love in each one's heart. No, beloveds, you do not need to live in a jhopri. Live in your mansions. But let not another go hungry for even one night. Each night that you sleep, oh beloved Sais, now ensure that at least two sleep with a full stomach or a full heart or a healed body. There is so much you can do to serve. You can give material resources. You can share your heart. You can embrace them and heal. There is so much you can do. But for that you have to be Sai. Every cell, every atom in your body has Brahman. ब्रह्मांड का मतलब जानते हो? The ultimate reality. There is nothing beyond Brahman. सब कुछ जो है सब ब्रह्मांड ही। साईं भी ब्रह्मांड है, आप भी ब्रह्मांड है। ब्रह्मांड के सिवा और कुछ है ही नहीं। आप उनको प्राण बुलाते हो, सॉस बुलाते हो, लाइट बुलाते हो, पर सब ब्रह्मांड, अल्टीमेट रियलिटी। तो ये क्या है? ये रियलिटी नहीं है क्या? आप रियलिटी नहीं है? नहीं है बच्चे, नहीं है। आप माया है। जब आप आईने में देखेंगे और देखेंगे नहीं आपका रूप, तब ब्रह्मांड की रियलिटी आपके सामने आ जाएगी। अच्छा, एक चीज बताओ, इफ यू डिडंट हैव अ नेम, if you didn't have a name, with what would you identify yourself? You would identify yourself with your body. सच है ना? तो हाँ, आप बोलेंगे मैं ये हूं, ये शरीर। अच्छा, तो दूसरा सवाल, आपके पास शरीर भी नहीं होगा, then what would you identify yourself with? अब नाम नहीं है, शरीर नहीं है, then what is your identity? Consciousness. Your consciousness is your identity. ये अल्टीमेट रियलिटी है। ये नाम और शरीर माया है। परंतु ये माया को और माया की जरूरत है, तो आता है फोन, आता है घर, पैसा। तो माया को और भी माया चाहिए। अब बोलो, ब्रह्मांड की जगह है इसमें? ये माया की झाड़ में ब्रह्मांड की जगह है? और फिर कहते हैं साईं ब्लेस मी। मेरे बच्चे, हर रोज साईं आपके साथ है, एक दिन नहीं। आप तो जानते भी नहीं। So you are receiving blessings, but you are asking for more, because you have put up a wall of materialism, and that wall of materialism, beloveds, consciousness cannot penetrate. That wall must be dropped by you. How? By giving up the world? No. By renouncing? Yes. Yes. By renunciation. Renounce your thoughts. How many negative thoughts do you harbor? Ask yourselves, how many opportunities have you grabbed at? so that you might express your negative thoughts. From as impersonal as politics is corrupt to more personal gossip, instigating others to speak badly of someone else. When another is angry, adding to their anger. Renounce all that. You are all very logical. और इसमें तो बहुत घमंड है आप सबको. You praise those people. Logical about what? When you are logical about Maya, but ignorant about the Brahman, what is praiseworthy? And then you try to emulate that. याद रखिए, आप ये शरीर नहीं है, ये नाम नहीं है, आप ब्रह्मांड है. और ब्रह्मांड में एक ही ईश्वर है. सारे ब्रह्मांड में एक ही ईश्वर है. वो कौन है? जरा आईना लीजिए. उस आईने में ब्रह्मांड भी दिखेगा, साईं भी दिखेगा, ईश्वर भी दिखेगा. और ईश्वर के अनेक रूप हैं. तो आप एक ईश्वर है, परंतु all those you meet are all your faces of your Godhood. अब आप किसकी निंदा करेंगे? क्रोध किसके ऊपर? And you shall not forgive whom? You shall lie to whom? You shall betray whom? Ishwar, you, Brahman. But there is one more obstacle. And if that obstacle is not overcome by each one of you seated here, you shall not be able to break this wall of materialism and receive the blessings. That wall is jealousy, envy, he has and I don't. She looks good, but I don't. Your greatest cruelties, beloveds, arise from jealousies which you do not see, which you do not know. But we tell you, your greatest cruelties arise from jealousies. You do not acknowledge this. But when a negative thought passes your mind about someone who is rich, and then you talk and judge his ill-gotten gains, beloveds, deep down you are jealous of those gains. Recognize your jealousies. Be very severe with yourself. When you find a negative thought crossing your mind, when you become aware of an action that you have committed, which is not an action of integrity, look for the jealousy that might have brought out these words, this action. And jealousy comes only from the need for more Maya. And then jealousy creates war and conflict. So you condemn someone else's deity, someone else's master, someone else's prophet. Again forgetting, कि सब ब्रह्मांड है. मोहम्मद भी और राम भी, ज़ारथुस्त्र भी और क्रिस्त भी, बुद्ध भी और महावीर भी. और जब आप बराबर सुनेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये सब नाम माया है. क्योंकि मोहम्मद भी ब्रह्मांड, राम भी ब्रह्मांड, कृष्ण भी ब्रह्मांड, यीशु भी ब्रह्मांड. तो नाम कहां से आ गया? और ये नाम नाम के ऊपर से लड़ाई झगड़ा होती है. So you must bring down the walls. If you cannot respect another's deity, another's master, another's prophet, another's belief, beloveds, you can never respect your own. Your respect, your devotion is incomplete. साईं को ऐसा प्यार चाहिए ही नहीं. ले जाओ वापस, ये गुरु दक्षिणा है ही नहीं. You are at a time in your evolution, my beloveds, when the responsibility of creation is going to be handed over to you. It is time to ask yourself, what shall I create? More phones, more cars, more homes, more offices, more buildings. More lack, more emptiness, more vacuum, more scarcity, more starvation, more deprivation. Your every thought is creating your reality. साईं को यह बताने की जरूरत है ही नहीं, आप जानते हैं. But what is the purpose of knowing it if you do not live it? Share your thoughts. With thoughts you can create a beautiful reality for someone else. So this beloved has been asked to pray upon all your prayers that you have handed over. And what do you think she shall do? She shall think. She shall think, and her thoughts shall create your fulfillment. Now tell me why you cannot do the same. Now tell me why you choose not to do the same. Is it because no one has handed you their prayers? Do you need that? Do you not know that there are people in the world in pain? Do you not know that there is disharmony in someone's home? Do you not know that someone is unwell? Do you not know that someone has gone to sleep in deep pain? Do you not know? You choose not to share your thoughts because you are so busy sharing all your negative ones. Oh beloveds, we do not wish to preach. We want you to open your eyes. We want you to open your eyes and see sign. We want you to open your ears and only hear sign. We want you to taste and speak with your tongue and taste and speak only sign. We want you to love and love only as sign. And in that is integrity. When you disappear and you reappear as sign, that is completion. And when these ears and eyes and mouth and heart shall only see and hear and speak and taste and love as sign, then lies shall automatically disappear. Deception shall automatically disappear. emotional needs shall automatically disappear. Do you understand why? The urging, move your focus from that inner child. Be Sai. When you know that is who you are, these thoughts that you share with others shall be uplifting ones. And you do share your thoughts. Not consciously maybe. The thought is inside you. Very often not voiced, because you realize that the thought is unkind. But in thinking that thought, you have shared it already with all, and in sharing that with all, you have already created a life of misery for all. When shall we get peace? When shall this world move into the light? साईं के पास ये सवालों का जवाब है ही नहीं, परंतु ये जो साईं बैठे हैं सबके पास जवाब है, मगर जवाब कोई देना चाहता नहीं। Life is simple, beloveds. Don't make it as complicated as your telephones. Haven't you seen the correlation? Yes. The more complicated your telephones, the less you communicate with people. The more lavish your cars, the harder the road you have to travel upon. The bigger your homes, the smaller your hearts. Do not be imprisoned in your home. Do not hide in your phones. Do not be stuck in your cars. Enjoy the material wealth, but do not need it. One day, if your phone doesn't work, the whole world knows about it. One day, if your cars have an accident, choicest abuses in blessing come out of your mouth for the other driver. That is because you need these things. So you get scared to spend. And then when you spend, you splurge and be indulgent and extravagant, bringing only more Maya into your homes. Beloveds, simplify your lives. Enjoy, share, receive, give. Hold on to nothing. Know that nothing is yours. आप और मैं खाली हाथ आए हैं और खाली हाथ जाएंगे, यह सच है। और यह भी सच है कि सबका मालिक एक है, परंतु और एक सच है, सब मालिक है। सब मालिक है। For 45 days, if not your whole lifetime, you shall think for all others as well. आप जब कहते हैं हाथ जोड़ के साईं मेरी रक्षा करना, तब बोलना साईं सबकी रक्षा। साईं मुझे सुख देना, साईं सबको सुख देना। And maybe one day you shall say, साईं सबको सुख देना, उसमें मेरा सुख भी है साईं। प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे, कुछ गलत नहीं है, कुछ सही नहीं है, बस एक पार माया है और एक पार ब्रह्मांड। पर ब्रह्मांड भी माया ही है और माया ब्रह्मांड भी है। तो क्या एक पार और दूसरी पार है कि वो भी माया है? कहाँ जाना ही नहीं है और आप कहाँ से भी आए नहीं हैं। जो कुछ है यही है, यहाँ है, इस पल में ही है और सब कुछ माया है। परंतु ये जो माया की गठरी मिली है, वो तो मुझे हाँ करनी ही पड़ेगी। हाँ हाँ करूंगा। आप सबको ये माया मिलेगी, but you have to pray for someone else's maya to be fulfilled. At that time, do not judge. Why do you ask for this? It is only maya. Remember, what you have asked for is also maya. And Sai has said yes. आपकी बारी आएगी, तब बोलना मत, अरे बुद्धू ये क्यों मांग रहा है, ये तो माया ही है। सबके चेहरों पे बस हमेशा मुस्कान ही मुझे चाहिए। साईं का प्यार सबके हृदय में हमेशा के